A big hello and welcome to all the glam moms and all the planner moms. Hope you all are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for you. So this week I've got a different video. This is the plan with me video. In my previous video I had said it is not easy for me because of my tripod, but I said let me try something, and I've tried this new setup in which I would be working on one of my favorite petite planners, that is the fitness log. This video, if you're interested, is going to show you a plan of how I do my fitness plan for a week ahead. So this is starting every Monday to the following week Sunday, and then every Monday I have a new one. So starting, this is going to be from the 1st of June, that is 1st and 2nd today, and how I plan the whole week, and I would show you and talk more about it as the video continues. So this is going to be my petite planner. I'm going to use Erin Condren dual tip markers. I'm going to use my favorite writing pen, the G205 from Pilot. I would be using the Pilot Super Grip for my stencil work, and this is again Erin Condren stencil. I've also got the gel pen if I would be needing it. Also, I would be using a couple of stickers. One is from the Cool for School book, another is from the Life is an Art colors, and my favorite, the wellness stickers. So I would be using, let me remove that already. So I'll be using a new sheet from that. So this is the new sticker sheet that I would be using. So this is a couple of things that I would be using for my plan, and this is how, if you have seen, I'll also put a link of my petite planners and how I do it. So let me begin my spread. This is how it will all start with. The first thing, I would just use my Pilot G2 pen, and I would just put down what's the date. That is from 1st of June until the that's going to be the 7 days, 7th of June. That is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. And then mostly I use my mobile to find the quote for the week. So this time the quote is going to be, your body can stand almost anything, it's your mind you have to convince. So I would put down there, I would leave a space for washing. If you want to flip through my how I had used this planner, I'm saying how I used my quotes here, and how how my this looks like in my previous, you can check my previous video. All right, so once I'm done with this, I start putting some stickers. So let's begin and keep moving forward. That is something I totally believe in. Keep moving forward. I put this big sticker here. Keep moving forward. I mostly use the dinner and snacks part where I put maximum stickers. Then of course the yoga mat goes here, and then there is no step that I really follow, that I need to put this way, that way. I just put it spontaneously. At least 4 stickers I use, so at least I have a little colorful color in my spread as well. And I love stickers as well. And then of course I use shoes. I love Nike. That's my lucky shoes, and I always use that. So I just put that, and then I just check a couple of sticker books and see, remember why you started. That is something I don't have to forget. I'm doing it for a healthy life ahead, that I don't fall sick, and I be healthy for my daughter, I be healthy for my husband, and so on. So remember why you started. That's a good way to begin this week. Every week is a new opportunity for you to lose weight, and so on. And then definitely I would be using the washi, and I love the layers colorful washi. They are very easy to come out as well. This is my first plan with me video. Do let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comments, and if you like me to do more such videos, I would do it weekly. Of course my haul videos will still be there, and some makeup and so on, but this is something now I do daily basis, so I thought why not share with you when I put. It's easy to come out as well. This, it just peels off very easily. So I thought, why not just do the plan with me, my first plan with me video with you guys. Right. My daughter loves stickers now. She stickers up everything and then she keeps removing. Not my book, she has her own. So this is good. And then let's see what else can I use. Oh, it's something I really like. Let's do that. Be strong. And after I'm done with these, what I mostly do is I use my ruler again and I make a small line here. And this basically is for any food app. So right now it's my MyFitnessPal. I would just put the app, whatever I eat, if I'm tracking and so on, Monday and Tuesday. So these 2 days I'm not working out. So this is just going to be like, 2 off days. So I would just, since I don't have any custom sticker saying off day, I would just leave it like, I would just put a weekend sticker in this. So I'm going to use this Fine Beauty in the everyday. I'm going to use, it's the weekend sheet here. And I'm just going to put it like this. Why it's a weekend, though it's not a weekend, is here in Qatar it's mostly Friday and Saturday is the weekend and Sunday the work starts. But for me, because my husband was off Monday and Tuesday, so it was a weekend, and plus these are the 2 days I have taken off. I've not worked out, so it's weekend. I just put here off and off. So that is, I didn't work out these 2 days, and the rest of it I would just forward and you can see I have put all of these. You can see water intake is the how much water I have taken and steps and so on. So so the 2 of the gurus or my fitness gurus that I use for walking at home, as I've mentioned before, that since my husband works very late hours and I'm at home with my baby toddler, and right now it's anyway coronavirus, so we don't go out. Even earlier I loved walking out, but I could not go because baby was small and we don't have a park place here nearby. So mostly I did walk at home. I was almost 96 kg in the big like once my baby was born. Now she's 22 months and I am 84 kg, 83 point something. Routine I have always stuck. It's the food that I really need to manage. Because of that I'm not losing that much, but I don't gain also a lot, so I'm just stuck. So every week is a week for new opportunities, and this is how I use my planner. So what I do is I know what I'm going to exercise for the week. Let's see, like I might be this Leslie Sanson, I would be using 3 Miracle Mile. I would exercise with that, and also that is Leslie. And then Lucy Wyndham, I would be doing her 7-minute belly fat. 7-minute belly fat. So I would just be putting belly fat 2, belly fat 3, belly fat 4, and belly fat 5. Same thing, 3 Miracle Mile Leslie's. Then I would be using her walk 15, 3 mile. Since I've been doing it for many months, so I know which one I'm planning. Then I keep shuffling. Mostly I have my mobile with me when I'm doing it, but since today I'm shooting in my mobile, I'm just using my previous 2 weeks back, and then 30 minutes. Walk fast. And 3 boosted my. So this is my exercise plan for this week. This is mostly cardio that I'm doing. I'm still in my 80s, so the Body Boss I was planning to start, and then I stopped it because I am just a little scared to sprain my legs or anything right now because I'm still heavy. I'm still in my 80s, so once I cross 80s and I'm in like 75, 74, that's the time I would start Body Boss. But now this is good enough for me. Yeah, so this is these are the things that I put, and these 3 hearts that you've seen, this is for the weight. So whatever is the beginning weight I would put down in this. And the 3 things that I use is I use it for kilometers, calories, and duration. So like how many kilometers I walked, I would put down how many kilometers, how many calories, and how much duration for each day. And again, this is how it looks like. And then I still feel something is missing here. Of all adventure this week and so on, best day ever. And then I can just put, see, I have a quote here also. You will never know your limits until you push yourself to them. That is for 3rd of June. That's a good quote. So this is my simple spread that I use. This feels empty, so let's just put something there as well. Yeah, and mostly I don't put so many stickers, but this is specifically for, especially I'm doing it for you guys, so I put some more. Otherwise it would be just few. And then whatever I eat for breakfast, whatever I eat for lunch, dinner, and snacks, I keep putting it right down there. And then also I log all my meals, how many how many steps I took, how many water intake, how much was my weight, how was my pass, and it keeps going like this. So this is how the spread really looks like. And I still feel this is a little empty, so let's just put here what your mind says, body hears. So it's just, you need to keep having positive thoughts in your life. And wish me luck for this week. All right, so this is my small spread and how I make it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get fit together. And if you guys are interested, I have a Facebook group called 100-Day Challenge, and if you're interested, I will put the link of the group also in my page, and you can join us. We are all motivating each other to do well. This was supposed to be a 100-day challenge where we did 100 days of straight workout. I started last year and I did almost 40 days straight, not 40, 35 days straight, and then I would take weekly 1 day off, 2 days off, and now this is the second time we have started a 100-day challenge, and now I think I am on day 30, but I have taken a lot, like 2 days off, 2 days off, so on. So still goes on. So I would really like to welcome you. If you are interested, I would leave the link of the Facebook group, so you can join us there. And in any case, getting fit is very important for me. I always know the reason why I have started it. I want to be fit. I want to be fit for my daughter. My mom has diabetes, and all her life she has been suffering from the weight. Because of that, I'm always worried about my mom's health. I don't want my daughter to suffer that, and with God's grace I don't have that yet. But if I do not take care of my health, I definitely fear not being good for my daughter. It's not only about how you look. Of course, when you lose weight, you feel more confident. But more than losing weight, I want to be healthy. I want to be a healthy mom for my daughter and a healthy wife for my husband, who is very supportive. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video of mine, a short video of how I make my layout for the petite planner. This week I have ordered something for my birthday from Erin Condren other than the summer surprise box. So next week would be definitely a haul coming up, and then hopefully the summer surprise box would reach us, and then I would have another 2. So 3 more hauls are coming up for Erin Condren. And then, so if you have stuck all the way till here, I would really like you all to please participate in this giveaway which is happening in my channel. I should have talked about it earlier, but this video is the video 3 for the giveaway, and you have chance to win a $15 Erin Condren gift voucher. So please, a gift voucher or the e-card, I would be choosing 3 winners, and that would be by July 1st week during the Independence Day, American Independence Day, around 4th of July. By that time I would be announcing the winners. So if you have stuck till here, why not just subscribe to my channel? It's very easy. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, do a like button, leave a comment, just say participate. Also, my Life with Baby S is my Instagram, my Life with Baby S, and you can follow me there. Again, leave a comment there saying participate, and then you're in. That's it. Important that you put participate, so I know, because I'm tallying who are participating in it. So if you're really interested to win the $15 voucher from Erin Condren, please do put participate in the remarks. And I would like to thank you guys, and thank you for your time, and I wish you all a wonderful day, afternoon, evening. Take care.